Striving for excellence, seeking for innovation, Hubei Guanghong Tech Co. Limited, located in Hubei, Wuhan City, is one of the major manufacturers and suppliers for passive fiber optical products, including fiber array, PLC splitters, FBT splitters, fiber optical patch cords, Optical MPO patch cords, ODB, fiber optic assemblies, and other fiber optic processing tools. Our factory has built 10 production lines since 2018, with more than 150 working staff, a total production area of 15,000 square meters, which is in compliance with ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. Our company have a group of experienced engineers. They have been working in this field more than 15 years, and we have some new talents joining our R&D team. They work together to upgrade and develop new processing techniques which can improve our quality level and develop new products. Guanghong can provide one-stop service from designing, sample production, bulk order production, quality testing, and packaging to shipping. Our fiber optical products have been exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Middle East countries, and our quality have been highly recognized by clients. In future, Guanghong will continue to create a people-oriented working environment and promote technology innovation in this field. Expected to become one of the global leading suppliers for ODN products. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you.
Hi, my dear friends, how are you? My name is Leslie. I'm from Hubei Guanghong Tech. Our company is a manufacturer and a supplier for fiber optical products. We produce PLC splitters, patch codes, and distribution boxes. Welcome to contact us for inquiry. We can offer you better price and quality. Thank you.